Manifest money by improving your luck and using the laws of attraction. Enable the laws of attraction and dump the lucky charms. Lucky rabbit foot, four-leaf clover, dream catchers, horseshoes, wishbones, shooting stars, the list goes on. Many people believe in the power of good luck charms, and many more carry one, just to keep all the bases covered. Generally speaking, there's no harm in the idea that an inanimate object can improve your luck, but there are other things that you can do that might actually prove more effective. Fortune favours the bold. More often than not, those people who meet with good fortune and who are considered to be lucky are the ones who have decided to enable the laws of attraction and take control of themselves and make whatever changes are needed in their lives. They are prepared to fail in order to learn and move forward. They understand that success happens when preparation meets opportunity. Self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe that you are the kind of person who never enjoys good fortune, who's always complaining about rotten luck, who never tries something new because you believe it won't work, guess what? You're right. Negative thoughts lead to a negative mindset, which leads to negative outcomes. Your thought pattern becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. As you think, so you are. Change the way you think. Everyone has had some good luck. Everyone had something good happen to them. If you make a habit of believing that good things will happen to you, that there is enough of everything to go around, and that you will get your share, and if you fill your mind with positive thoughts that your future will be bright, guess what? You're right. As we think, so we are. You will be using the laws of attraction in a productive way, and you will have created a positive, self-fulfilling prophecy. Be alert to opportunities. Opportunities are all around us, but that's no good if we can't see where they are. Knowing what it is that you really want, what you truly desire, and a plan of how you will achieve these things will make the opportunities visible to you. Remember, success happens when preparation meets opportunity. The harder you work, the luckier you get. You have to put in some hard work to become one of the lucky people. Not necessarily hard physical labour, but you have to work hard on yourself, and that's why you need a plan, a roadmap of where you are going. It would be a shame to work hard and end up arriving in the wrong place. In order to do something, you have to become something. So when you know where you are going, you must work hard at acquiring whatever mindset, skills and knowledge you need to take you there. You will be amazed at how easy it is to manifest money and anything else that you desire. Many good things will happen to you when you work hard for what you want. Cause and effect. The law of cause and effect demonstrates that events don't happen by chance. You are not where you are today by chance. Where you are at this moment is a product of your thoughts and actions of your past. Therefore, your future will be created in the present, not by wishful thinking about the future. It's what you do today that creates your future. So knowing this, you can decide what it is that you want in the future and start creating it today. Persistence. Majestic forests don't grow overnight. It takes time for good things to happen. So don't give up. Plan some way stations into your roadmap, and when you reach one, make a stop and give yourself a little reward before you move on. You've earned it. Remember, you are what your deep driving desire is. As your desire is, so is your will. As your will is, so is your deed. As your deed is, so is your destiny, and you will have changed your luck through positive thinking and the laws of attraction. This is Ian wishing you health, wealth and happiness.